Hey guys, Brian from WorkshopAddict.com, and our next Workshop Addict Tool Bucket List giveaway is going to be this Ridgid. Yes, it is the 1300 inch-pound half-inch brushless octane drill. This guy is model number 8611506B, and the B stands for big torque. Now, not really, it stands for bare tool because this does not come with a battery or a charger, but I'm sure our friends at Ridgid are going to send you a battery or charger with it when you win. Currently I have the 3 amp hour octane battery on the bottom, which makes this drill look a little bit smaller than it actually is. This is quite a large drill, and they've changed some things around, particularly where the lights are in front. I'm really going to question how it's going to work, because you're going to get these lights that are going to shine directly on what you're drilling, but are they going to get dirty? And if you're claiming 1300 foot-pound or inch-pounds of torque, is it really doing that? Are we really going to be the most powerful drill out there? You know, we're going to put it up against the Milwaukee and a couple other ones that are out there and show you how it fares in different material and if this is going to be the drill for you. But let's get to the giveaway. Of course, 2 Sundays from now. So that second Sunday from now, we are going to do the drawing sometime in the afternoon. To get into this is going to be very simple. You're going to be able to get into it twice. So stop and listen, because we have a lot of you guys that get into this quick, like, oh, I know how to get in. Stop and listen. First, I want to know if you think that this Ridgid drill is going to beat the Milwaukee. So your answer in the bottom is the Ridgid is going to beat the Milwaukee, hashtag Workshop Addict, or the Milwaukee is going to beat the Ridgid, hashtag Workshop Addict, okay? That can be your first way of getting in. Your second way of getting in is going to guess at what our next car project is. And it's on our way to us right now. It's going to be a quick project. The car is pretty much, might be a truck. It's pretty much ready to rock and roll, but we have some things that we're gonna do to it to play with it. And it's all gonna be done before Christmas. So I want your guess. There's only 5 people out there that I know of that know what project is heading here. So that would be a second comment that you would make to get yourself into this twice. It will be, I believe your next project is, whatever you think, hashtag Workshop Addict. It's going to be a cool little project, something that we're not used to, something that's a little bit out there for us, but I think it's going to be neat, something that's going to be very quick in and out, and we'll have a blast with it. Good luck on this, guys. I think this is going to be a cool tool for whoever wins it. We are looking forward to putting this guy through its paces and really having some fun with it, showing you guys what it'll do. Thanks for all your support, subscribing to our channel and everything else. Good luck. See you in 2 weeks.